If you are looking for a quick, simple and safe install with a high level of power consumption up to 32 amp, then the ideal Gen 2 lever wire connectors are a cost-effective solution for joining solid, stranded or flexible conductors. By utilizing the latest connection technologies, they are reusable and can accommodate multiple wires of different types and sizes, from 0.2 to 4.0 mm square for solid and stranded, plus 0.14 to 4.0 mm square for flexible wires. 2, 3 and 5-port models are available. Use the built-in wire strip guide to check the correct stripping length. For solid and stranded wire, there's no need to lift the levers. Just strip your wire and push it in. For flex, simply lift the lever, insert the conductor and clamp it into place. No screwdriver, no crimping, just easy installation and reliable, safe connections. What's more, ideal lever connectors have been designed with additional features that improve safety and aid installation, such as levers opening in the opposite direction of the insertion ports and locking in position to prevent accidental loosening or pull-out. Their compact design means they take up very little space in junction boxes and enclosures, whilst the clear housing allows you to quickly check that each individual conductor is inserted fully and making proper contact. Additionally, a check port gives you convenient access for continuity testing. Ideal lever connectors can be used in all electrical applications up to 32 amp, including lighting and access control, where space is often limited and multiple conductors need to come together, as well as radial and final ring circuits. In fact, most jobs where you may have used strip connectors or terminal blocks in the past. Ideal lever connectors are CE, UKCA and UL listed, and also bear the internationally recognized NEC mark, demonstrating compliance with stringent European safety standards. As a consequence, they are fully compliant with the 18th edition wiring regulations in the UK. They're the simplest and fastest way to join solid, stranded or flexible conductors. Safe, secure connections every time. Visit idealind.com to find your local distributor. Ideal Electrical, the electrician's champion.